Very good morning, friends. I'm Nalini Swami, welcoming back to my channel, Smart Index Edge. It is my constant endeavor to help the traders to be profitable and to be in proper direction. That's why I created Nalini Precision Engine and also Nalini EMA indicator. Today, I'm going to share one small but very powerful trading hack which works especially well for option traders. Yes, now I know the difficulty of option buyers. They should be very precise in their entry with a small stop loss without any confusion. Many traders ask me one question, Madam, how do we identify reversals early? The answer is very simple. Watch the 2-minute time frame carefully. I am on the Bitcoin chart, 2-minute time frame, live chart. It is undergoing through so that I can explain it to you in a very well manner. Because the 2-minute time chart shows the first signal of controlled shifting from buyers to sellers and sellers to buyers. I call this as Jodi Candle signal. Jodi Candle means two candles forming together near an important structural level like rolling pivot, EMA support, or weekly cusp level, or previous day high and low. When a red candle is immediately followed by a green candle near support, it shows sellers are losing strength and buyers are entering. Similarly, when a green candle is followed by a red candle near resistance, it shows buyers are losing strength and sellers are entering. This is where in my rolling pivot engine, you can catch the early with proper conviction and proper precision. Nalini Precision Engine helps you to do that. This is the earliest footprint of reversal. Why does this work especially well on the 2-minute time frame? I know most of the traders, if they do not have premium account or anything on the trading view, they cannot access 2-minute time frame, but they can go to the 2-minute time frame on their brokerage, this one, they can track this along with the rolling pivot. On 5 minutes, you be on the 5-minute chart on the trading view and 2-minute chart on the your Zerodha or any trading broker terminal, then you can notice the reversal at the specific point. Why does this work especially well on 2-minute time frame? That is the question. Because institutions cannot reverse the market in one candle. They cannot reverse. Reversal is always, it is a 2 candle only. They reverse step by step. First selling slows, you can see over here in this Bitcoin, reversal is happening. You can ask me, Jodi candles are forming, but I am not going to take Jodi candle reversal. I will explain it to you in detail how to identify the Jodi candle properly. In 2 minutes time frame shows reversal earlier than the 5-minute and 15-minute chart. But once you master this, you can also recognize in 5-minute and as well as in 15 minutes too. But remember one important rule, never take Jodi signals in the middle of the range. Let me zoom out this. See, This is middle of the range. Market is coming down. It is below the Gann low. You can notice a Jodi candle reversal signal conspicuously at this level because see the candle, this 2-minute candle, Jodi candle, this is popping out. This is the pivot R1 and R2, testing the R2. Nowhere these two Jodi candles, they didn't show any reversal. Apart from that, my rolling pivot was red. Here it turned black neutral and you can see it is lifting up. Next follow through is a green candle. Jodi candle plus follow through, green candle and rolling pivot turning blue and all the pivots R1, R2, S1, S2 turning green and the price climbing above this is the perfect. So you could have scalped Bitcoin around 5:56 a.m. You could have captured reversal 423 points reversal. That's how it is. Always take them near structure levels. Never take Jodi candlestick signals in the middle of the range. My rolling pivot tells you, even if you see the Jodi candle reverse candles, the rolling pivots are not supporting. Here only exact it is supporting and the perfect reversal came over here. You can see if I place the cursor, open is at 74,523, high is 74,566 and low is 74,482. 482, 23, 523, around 40 points of stop loss you can enter into this trade, scalping trade. When Jodi candle forms near these levels after expansion move like this, after this is an expansion move, here it becomes a very probability of reversal becomes very high. You just start seeing the chart, how multiple Jodi candles created excellent reversal opportunity. This is one simple observation, but if you practice it daily, your entries in option trading will become more confident and more precise. This is one important component inside my Nalini Precision Engine structure reading method. Start observing Jodi candles on 2-minute time frame from tomorrow itself or today itself as soon as you see my video, and you will see the difference in your trading confidence. Imagine market like this. Sellers push, buyers response. Sellers have pushed, buyers are responding here. That pair is the Jodi candle. Means control shifting, very easy to remember. So, friends, this is the 2-minute reversal secret you can utilize for your option buying, which needs precision and also option scalping. This is very, very important. You just remember, where should I enter options? First step is watch 2-minute Jodi candles near structure. not at the middle of the range. That is the first rule you have to. So you need to watch 2-minute Jodi candles near the structure. Structure means either at here or near the any near the here. I cannot show it to you on the Bitcoin because I can go to any Nifty. Let me take it to Nifty so that you will be seeing Nifty because many of you traders trade in Nifty. Let me, so much of buy sell signals are coming. Let me disable that. Let me take out this one. Let me go over here on the previous day. Even on the yesterday, you could have scalped, though it was a very, very difficult day. See, my Nalini Precision Engine, it goes to as early as possible in the 1 minute time frame itself. It picks up layer 1 levels. Layer 1. Layer 1 pivot is here. R1, R2, R3, yes, S1, S2. So see the thing. You could have taken reversal at as soon as possible. See here. Let me zoom it out. It's going back. Have patience. Here you can see gap down, immediate Jodi candle within 2 minutes. It is a so wide candle, 2-minute candle, wide candle range. Let us measure. The range is almost 143 points. 143 points, and a Jodi candle is forming where it is near the pivot. Near the pivot, you can enter Jodi candle reversal either this area because price is popping above the pivot and you are entering reversal, spotting the Jodi candle reversal over here. This becomes a very good probable trade. That is around 941. Let me put an Alt V here and change the time frame so that you can see Jodi candle also be seen on the 5-minute time frame. Jodi candle reversal. But what is the problem with this rolling pivot is, it is this time frame, boxes are formed only after 1 hour. It has been coded for 1 hour. Automatically, it has to catch 12 candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 candles. But with the 2-minute candle, we are getting entry over here very early, 23,589, and you are entering into the trade, already in the trade before the box forms. Box has formed 10 a.m. So for that, these layers will pick up and form, and you know that Jodi candle, even without naked eye, you can see this Jodi candle. This is the pivot. pivot. You don't have this box, but these layers will come into the market. You are entering over here. 23,610 and your stop loss is here 23,579. You are entering into the trade and you are not panicking. That was a beautiful entry on that day. That was on 13th. You could have entered, located the Jodi candles very early and you could have taken the trade. Here, Jodi candle reversal you can catch if you go to the 2 minutes time frame. Let me go there. Oh, it has moved fast. Here, last minute scalping, put option buying. People are very much interested. When the market goes, they have to go on opposite side and they trade. So this Jodi candle is forming at the structure level. Keeping this as stop loss, you can enter into the put option trade. Immediately you can press button in this candle, Jodi candle, the rolling pivot turning red and Gan Hilo flipping. The trend is flipping. Perfect entry. And price falling below the low of the day, low of the previous day. This yellow spots are marked for the low of the previous day. So you could have taken put option and you could have done this. Yesterday was a very difficult day. Even on a very difficult day, Jodi candle scalping was very good. Let me take you to the two options, call options and put options. For example, this is the 24,000 call option. It told you there is no entry immediately, even though after the gap up, there is no entry. One of my buyer entered into the put option very quickly. He scalped it very easily and he made money. But few people can recognize this. But for the others who find it difficult, let me go to 24,000 put option. I hope this one. Yeah. See, 24,000 put option, when the market showed reversal, you are taking this Jodi candle reversal. You are entering into it. This is 125. Low of the candle is 122.6. So and the low, extreme low was 180. So you are entering around 124 or 125 and your stop loss is 118, just 7 points, just 500 rupees. This one, your risk to reward, let us put risk to reward this one. Long position. Okay. Let me make this as my stop loss. You got how much? See the percentage. 1,061 amount 2,524. The loss is 750. Let me precisely put it here. Loss is 750 rupees. You are gaining 3,200 and 3,400. 22 rupees. This is how you could have scalped with the Jodi trick and with my Nalini Precision Engine, layer 1 and layer 2. So when the Jodi candle, reversal candle starts forming near the structure, notice over here, immediately when this candle pierces through, it becomes black. That is the signal. Get out of it. Finished. There, call option entry came into the picture. Let me go to the 2400, 24,000 call option. Here, Jodi candle. That is where I got the entry 937. Where is the level? Level, structure level is S1. Price is below the pivot. You are entering into this, okay? Our stop loss, let us put the stop loss. Okay, I am entering somewhere here. This is my stop loss. Okay, let me keep it. And for this, I am getting 1009. For the amount of 750, I can continue this trade because the structure is supporting, GAN Hilo is supporting. I can hold this trade. Let me extend my profit to this R1. For this, I am getting 2,500. So I could have made quickly 3,000, around 3,000 in put option and 2,500 in call option. So it was a difficult trade because the market was trading within this range. Here you could have entered into the put option and you could have made. This is how Jodi candle trick will help you in a very good way, not alone, not alone. Remember that you need Nalini Precision Engine for conviction and confidence trade. Scalping is a very, very difficult trade. You need a support system like Nalini Precision Engine. Suppose if you want this indicator, message me, WhatsApp me on this number 9845209600. You get all the details about its pricing. It is a paid indicator. I've put in lot of efforts to bring in complete system, market structure system. Because this Nalini Precision Engine not only gives you layers and also for the stock buy sell signals, you get the stocks also. You can utilize the stocks for your trade. If there is no trade on the indices, you can shift for your trade on intraday basis for the stocks, and also for a 6-hour basis time frame, buy sell signal, swing signal, and it is name it. It is a universal indicator. Let us go to the live market Bitcoin before closing. Let us see what has happened over here. Now, yes, it has started giving Jodi candle sell signal, confirmed. It has given scalping. It is a confirmed trade here, Jodi candle. Why? Why this is very perfect? Because here green candle and this candle is piercing all the way below S1. It has lost its pivot. This opening of this candle itself you can make out it has lost its pivot. It is trading below and becoming red over here. You could have entered into a scalping trade and buying trade, selling trade, and Gan Hilo is shifting. This is how you can do your trade very simple and profitable. Thank you very much, friends. Nalinakshi Swami signing off.